Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get ringtones. I'm going to do a part 2 and a part 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you part 1. But part 2, I'm going to have to switch. I'm going to switch back and forth in those 3 times. You might not want to watch the third video. All it is just proving that I'm actually doing it. Okay. And all you're going to need to download is 500 ringtones. It's an app where you can download ringtones, and then you go into your computer, and then you use your ipod, and you can get it on your iPod. So I'm just going to show you what the app looks like. I guess you're just going to type in ringtones 500. I'm just going to search it. Did this last time. I don't know if it's going to show you. It doesn't work good on there, but just look up ringtones 500.000 if you want to go directly to it, but 500 is still on the first one, so it's just going to look kind of like this. But what you're going to do is go into here. I'm not even wearing clothes. I'm just wearing the jumpsuit. Huh? It's still part of the costume. I know. But you can go to categories, or you can look at the best downloaded and most downloaded. Then you're just you can go into your categories or search. Working. Okay, hold on 1 second. It always sends me to this. Hold on 1 second. It's just going crazy. Last video it did the same thing. 1, 2. Load. It's happening. Nobody watches my videos, so it's fine. So you can search. So you can search all this stuff, but all you're gonna do is click one and let's say download. Oh my gosh, what? It just kicked me from the app. Oh, I hate this stupid record my screen. It doesn't work. So you can either create your own ringtone or whatever. You can go to categories, and all you'd have to do is just click one, and you either preview it or download. I already have one downloaded, and this is just for the next video. And this is Mr. Grinch. I have it already on. I already have it for the next video. So yeah, that's it. Bye.